Hey bud, Drew here from Bucket List RC. From homeless to hopeful isn't just catchy, it's an attitude. Hey, look at that, 125 subscribers. Isn't that nice? But it is an attitude, and this living room needs an upgrade. I'm not going to say it's hopeless. It definitely has hope. When I got here, I thought I was going to die, so I didn't bother getting much of a living room. I have a bedroom, but I don't have a living room. And I've raised Bucky and his sister in this living room, and they have had fun, as you can see. But I think it's time for a grown-up living room. Whoop. Let's see if I can make it cool. I won't. Hey, there you go. I told you I goofed that up somehow. What do you think? $200 for an upgrade. The carpets were $15 a piece. I have no tags to this stuff, so please like, subscribe, share, watch some videos, call your mom. Walmart $125 futon. Silver Surfer surfboard for the coffee table. Hey, not bad. A little color on the wall. But the best view is watching Dusty's mountain grow. And of course, watching the kids play. They love the new living room, don't you guys? Well, hey, thanks for checking that out. Things are getting better. Things are growing. Like, subscribe, share. Hey, is that you? Thanks, bud.